Powered fans can totally crank up noise inside your house, and yeah, that can get super annoying fast. So, if you want to keep things chill and quiet while still staying cool, the first thing is to pick a fan with a low decibel rating because loud fans are just gonna bug you non-stop. Also, check if the fan has multiple speed settings so you can dial down the noise when you don't need full power blasting. Placement matters too. Putting the fan on a soft surface or using a rubber mat underneath can help reduce vibrations that make noise worse. Cleaning the fan blades and motor regularly is clutch because dust buildup can make the fan work harder and louder. If you're dealing with ceiling fans, balancing the blades right is key. Unbalanced blades wobble and rattle, which gets old real quick. Another tip is to look for fans marketed as quiet or whisper quiet models. They usually have better tech to keep sound low. Trying out a fan in-store or checking online reviews about noise before buying can save you headaches later. And finally, if noise is a huge deal, think about alternative cooling options like air conditioners that are generally quieter inside. One of the biggest issues with powered fans making noise is vibration. When your fan isn't sitting right or the blades are off balance, it shakes and makes that annoying hum or buzz. Fix it by tightening screws and using a blade balancing kit. Another common problem is dirty motors and blades. Dust buildup causes strain and noise, so regular cleaning helps keep things quiet. Third, people often buy cheap fans that don't say anything about noise levels, then get stuck with this loud buzz that ruins their chill time. Always check for noise specs and reviews before buying to avoid that. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you with noisy or poorly installed fans. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's an awesome way to find homeowners who actually need your help on projects like fan installation or home cooling upgrades.